Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 online watching YouTube video, completing survey and submitting some email. Okay, number one website we are going to walk through in is thosand.com. Okay, when you're on this site, all you need to do is scroll down around and check. Okay, as you can see, complete offer and get reward. 5 minutes 25 points, 5 minutes 58 points. On this site you make a point and turn it to cash. Okay, we reward our member with instant cash and free gift card, complete simple tasks and watch video and answer a survey. Easy instant reward. As you can see, this is a PayPal card gift, PayPal, Dominion, Amazon, Facebook card. Okay, you can earn a lot of money from this website. Okay, as you can see, these are some reviews from this website. Okay, the second website we are going to go through is called cashkick.com. Okay, cash is the greatest reward. We deposit cash into your account for all fun things you have already doing. As you can see, answer a survey, find a great deal, watch video. As you can see, survey web, but as you watch a video you can earn $5, $10, $8, $25 upward per minute or per hour, depending on the video minutes. Okay, find and complete your mission, watch and end goal in your account, cash out early every often. Okay, as you can see, this website is very legit. You can start register with this website and begin make some side hustle for yourself. Okay, how does it works? Company are eager to get their deal in front of customer like you and get your feedback. In fact, your opinion are so valuable they are even pay you for them. All you need to do is few minutes and internet connection and we take care of the rest. You can use your phone to do this testimonial. These are some testimonial from this company. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and press bell icon to stick with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you bonus tip, the site I use to make tons of money. Okay, this website is mypunch.com. It's loading because of the network. Okay, let me go to Swagbox. When you're on Swagbox, book a discover code. Okay, 3 cents to swag success. Pick your package. Okay, what fits in your poly mailer. Okay, as you can see, you can select from this store and buy stuff and you get a reward to do so. Okay, pick your swag, many things from. You can sign up with this website and begin purchase from them and make money. These are some video you can watch to see how it works to sign up to the website. Okay guys, the fifth website I'm going to show you is my super exciting website I use mostly. Okay, it's called inboxdollar.com. Okay, inboxdollar.com. Watch video, take survey, shopping and cash offer. If you sign up for this website you make $5. Okay, you make $5 when you sign up. Okay, you make $5. Earn cash for your everyday online activities. This is a review video on how it works, how you can sign up, how it works. Brand pay us for consumer input. We recruit member like you. You do online activity, pay survey, pay video and TV, redeeming free food and grocery coupon, pay shopping and more. We earn real cash, not point. Okay, this is a very super website I'm working with and I'm making tons of money from this. How you earn free cash? As you can see, these are a lot of ways you can make money from this website. Is over 80 million in cash reward have been paid. Okay, over 80 million reward cash have been paid to their customer, as you can see guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Stay blessed and stay great.